In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of obtaining a real estate broker's license in the state of Pennsylvania. Whether you are looking to make a change or looking to open your own brokerage, becoming a broker can be a rewarding and fulfilling process. So let's get started. The licensing process is fairly simple. Just follow these 6 steps. 1. You must have your sales associate's license for 3 years with experience qualifications that the Commission consider adequate. 2. You will need to complete 240 hours of broker education. 3. Next, you will need to fill out an application for approval prior to being eligible to sit for your state exam. At this point, the Commission will request proof of course completion, such as transcripts or certificates of completion. 4. The Real Estate Commission will require you to get your fingerprints taken with Pennsylvania State Police and send them off to process for a background check. 5. Take and pass the licensing exam with PSI. You will need to obtain a minimum score of 75% or higher to pass. 6. You will need to finalize your application, submit any other required documentation, and pay any fees. And that's it. In order to get a real estate broker's license in the state, you must complete a 240 hours approved broker education. Perry Real Estate College offers the courses online, available 24/7, completed at your leisure. The Pennsylvania Real Estate Commission requires each new licensee to obtain a background check before being eligible to obtain a license. The applicant will need to get their fingerprints taken with the Pennsylvania State Police to process for a background check. The Commission will evaluate each person's criminal history on a case-by-case basis. If you are unsure if you will be eligible, please confirm with the Commission. Each new licensee is required to pass a broker's licensing exam administered by PSI. The exam is broken down into 2 sections, a general portion containing 80 questions and state portion containing 40 questions. Each section must be completed with a 75% or higher to pass the test. Once you've passed the licensing exam, it's time to finalize your real estate broker's application. You'll need to submit any required documentation and pay any fees. You can find the application and more information on the Pennsylvania Real Estate Commission's website. It is important to remember that the background check must be dated within 180 days of date the application is submitted. So, that's a quick overview of how to get a real estate broker's license in Pennsylvania. It's a process that requires some determination and hard work, but the rewards can be well worth it. If you have any further questions or need additional information, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more real estate-related content.